Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to enable parallel sprints in Jira, a fantastic feature that can really boost the productivity of agile teams managing multiple projects at once. By the end, you'll know how to find the right settings and turn on parallel sprints for your company-managed spaces, making it possible for your team to run more than one sprint at a time without a hassle. If you've ever felt stuck or limited by having just a single active sprint, this guide is for you. Alright, let's dive in. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. If you're working within a company-managed project, you'll want to have administrator access to make these changes. Once you're in Jira, look at the main dashboard and spot the More button. It's usually near the top or sometimes tucked in a menu, depending on your layout. Clicking More is your gateway to some of Jira's most powerful features and deeper settings. Next, we're going to head into Plans. Select Plans from the list you see there. Plans is where your team's agile roadmaps and timelines live, so just imagine it as the command center for your big-picture project management. This ensures you're accessing the advanced configuration options required for this change. Now, beside your list of plans, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More Actions menu. This is a bit like the secret menu in your favorite app, filled with extra options that aren't always out in the open. Click the three dots and you'll see a list pop up. Among those, find and select Admin Configuration. This is where the admin-level tools live, letting you change how your Jira environment operates. Once you're inside Admin Configuration, look for Jira Configuration. This step may sound similar, but here we're actually narrowing down to the specific part of Jira that controls what features are available for company-managed spaces. Effectively, you're moving from general settings to those tailored for agile project management. Within Jira Configuration, you'll find an option for parallel sprints. Enabling this will allow your team to run multiple sprints at once, a huge advantage if you have several Scrum teams working in parallel, or if different streams of work need to be addressed simultaneously. Without this enabled, you're restricted to one active sprint per project, which can bottleneck your team's ability to deliver. Click on the Parallel Sprints option to turn it on. Sometimes this might trigger a short confirmation dialog. Don't worry, just review and accept. You're not changing any existing sprints, just adding the flexibility for future ones, and that's pretty much it. With parallel sprints enabled, your team can now manage overlapping sprints. Whether you're splitting your team across features, bug fixing, or experimenting with different approaches, all without waiting for one sprint to end before starting another. If any part of the process took a few moments or you didn't see some options right away, don't worry. Jira screens occasionally look a little different depending on your organization's customization, but if you follow these steps, you should be able to locate everything. If you do get stuck, leave a comment below describing where you're hung up. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you enable parallel sprints, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical Jira tutorials just like this. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're using parallel sprints with your team. See you in the next video.